Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the audio on Mecha. So let's say for instance, you're finding the audio a bit too high or you're finding the audio low and you'd like to make the changes. It's pretty simple. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, simply select the menu option at the bottom right corner. Or alternatively, you can press the designated button on your keyboard or on your controller to bring up the menu. And then within the menu, simply select settings. Now within the settings, all you have to do is select audio and then ensure that you are under the SFX section. Now within the SFX section of the audio, you can adjust a lot of audio from here. So if you want to adjust the total audio or the total volume for all the audio, you can simply adjust it by using this option, total volume. So you can either reduce it or you can increase it. Or if you want to mute it, you can simply press this speaker next to the option to mute. And if you want to unmute it, you can press this speaker again to unmute that audio. Additionally, you can customize or you can adjust the total music volume for the game. So you can either reduce it or you can increase it depending on what your choices are. You can either mute it or unmute it, and also you can customize all the other music volume options that are currently available. So there's a striker bay music, you can adjust that, and also you can adjust the combat music. Now another option you can adjust is the total volume during the gameplay. So you can adjust this if you want to increase it, or you can reduce it to suit your needs. So you can either mute it as well and unmute it if you prefer. And also you can adjust each and every individual option to suit your needs. Now as you scroll down, you should see the voice notification total volume. So from here, you can also adjust this volume to suit your needs. So this adjusts the volume for all voice notifications and sound effects. So you can adjust this all at once. Or if you want to adjust it individually, you can scroll down and find the option that you'd like to adjust. And then once you have adjusted everything to suit your needs, all you have to do is simply escape or exit the settings, and the changes will be applied to your game. So that's basically it on how to adjust the audio on Mecha. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.